How to log in into your Spectrum internet account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into any of the web browser. Once you are here, in the search bar, search for Spectrum login. Now move into the very first link, spectrum.net. Once you're in this page, in order for you to log in, click on sign in right over here and wait for a while for it to load. You have been moved into the login page. In order for you to log in, simply enter the username of the account and also enter the password. Also, if you have forgotten your password or username, you can simply click on Forgot Username or Password and then you can recover it. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on Sign In and then you will be signed in into your Spectrum internet account. So this is simply how you can log in into your Spectrum internet account. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.